much for watching. Today we are making a cute hey y'all. We're gonna make this cute little cow today with the sunflowers. We're gonna be using a 14-inch round Dollar Tree wreath frame. I'm gonna add Chanel stems, 18 of them. I'm gonna add 6 on top and then 12 on the bottom. We got our frame all wired up, so next we're gonna move on to cutting our mesh. This is a jute poly mesh. It's a 10-yard roll and it's 10.5-inch roll. So we are going to go ahead and get this cut. I'm going to cut 18 pieces at 20 inches. I'm just going to clean up the first edge to get it nice and clean. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut all 18. Ooh! Hold on. Another roll where it's not exactly the 10 yards. Like, it is short, like 2 inches. And even if we added this little tiny bit, like, it's still short an inch. It's ridiculous. Mesh is really nice. It's super thick and I feel like it's not really gonna fray, but oh my goodness, did it make a mess. So we're just gonna clean this up real quick. Can y'all guess what's next? Yeah, that's right. We are going to add the mesh into the wreath frame. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this little piece first because we're gonna hide that baby up in the top. So we're gonna do the ruffles today. I'm gonna go ahead and add those in here. Here's all the mesh on, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my desk again because it's all fuzzy. The first ribbon I'm using is this 2.5 brown, and I'm gonna make 2 loops at 5.5 inches. For the next one, I'm gonna layer a 1.5 on top of a 2.5, and I'm gonna make 2 loops on each side at 5 inches. I just did a 4.5-inch loop, one on each side of these 2 ribbons, and now I'm going to do a 4-inch loop of this cow. The bow and the sign. The bow might be a little bit too low. I think I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. It just seems like I want it more uplifted. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the ribbon tails. I'm going to cut 8 pieces of these and use these 2 together. And then I'm gonna cut 7 pieces of these and use these ones together. I'm gonna cut my tails at 12 inches. I actually ordered a ribbon tail board from a company, Creations by the Sea, and they actually engraved it. Let me show you. It's actually got my name on it. Let me show you real quick. I love it. Do y'all see that? It's my first personalized item. Woohoo! Let's give it a try. I finished adding all of the ribbon tails onto the wreath. This is what it's looking like. now that I have the ribbon tails on, I'm gonna go ahead and embellish it. This is the little bundle that I came up with. I got all of these embellishments from Hobby Lobby. They are all part of their fall collection, but I just think they have a really nice rustic look to them. Here's a close-up. These ones I love. These, I feel like these would work good for winter also, because they kind of have a frosted look to them. So I got a bunch of those, and then I got these berries as well, and they have really nice leaves on them, so I'll definitely be saving the leaves because those would work good for fall, other fall wreaths. And I also got, I wanted the little sunflowers, not the giant ones, just because I didn't want it to be overwhelmed with sunflowers, so I opted for the small ones. And I got these as well to just add a little bit of touch of them. So I really like the texture that all of this adds together. So we're gonna go ahead and individually glue all of these just on like the top ring. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around, and then I'll probably end up adding some into the bow because I usually like to do that.